go into the first one here, which is the Blurams Outdoor 2K resolution. So a little bit, tiny bit better than Full HD. IP66 weatherproof. So that's going to mean that you've got a pretty good weather rating. That's actually 2 ratings better than the scooter I'm going to show you next week. And it's going to be battery powered. So it's got a decent sized battery in this. It's going to last quite a long time outside, but this is the one that can actually run non-stop. So if you have the Wyze Cam Outdoor, you got to recharge that thing. This one with the solar panel says non-stop solar power. This one does not require any wires. So they're calling it the wire-free Camera 2K kit. And so 2K resolution, let's open it up. First thing you're going to notice is you're going to have manuals for both the solar charger and the camera itself. So the wire-free Camera 2K. It's going to tell you all about mounting it. I'm going to bring that up so you guys can see it. Hopefully that focuses in there. So there's some information about mounting. It's pretty straightforward. I'll show you the mount is actually quite nice. I like how it works. Like a lot of things about it. This is what's going to contain the solar. So yeah, this is where the solar is, and this is where the camera is. So the rest you can just kind of discard. So we're going to pull the camera out. Let's go ahead and open the camera. Taking a look quickly here at the actual camera itself. There's the unit. Again, passive infrared motion detection. Now they do have a bunch of other cloud services that are available on this one, but IP66 weather resistant because of that right there. And that on the bottom is a weather seal. So now you can, if you had fingernails, I barely do, you can get in there and you can turn it on and off, you can recharge it, and you can reset it. Now I'm going to try, it's actually easier to push with the seal on. I'm going to try to turn it on here and hope that it's still set up to my account. There we go. It just said, it had a voice that said it was powered on. It's doing its blinking, and we got solid green there. Now, this one I do not believe has a micro SD slot. No, I'm not seeing it on this one here. So that's one thing to think about. Now, there's going to be 2 mounts here, and you're going, okay, why do you need 2 mounts technically? You've got the camera here, and then you've got this mount. Now, there will be mounting screws. I just don't have them in this kit anymore. But what's interesting about this mount is as you loosen it, I'm going to try to get that really close. As you loosen it, the top can angle, and then you just tighten this, and it stops it from rotating, so you can have an angle on it, and then you use this to tighten the camera down. So you can have it really positioned at almost 45 degrees in any direction. So if maybe you got a fence post you're putting it on or something, you take that, and you screw that to the back of the camera. So you get your camera all set up indoors, you get this mounted where you want it, and it's just that simple. So now I've got this. Hopefully you guys can see this. There's my camera. So again, this is a battery powered camera. So it's looking at me going through. It was a little bit ago. I'm actually going to go live, tap to activate, and then I'm going to show the camera to you guys so you can see it. So there it is. Again, fantastic image quality out of these. I got to say, now all of them suffer when they're going through my converter here. All of them suffer with that red shift in my studio, but I promise you the video that's on the camera on my phone looks amazing. Yeah, I'm super red on this one, but apparently not. So if you want to see around my little studio here, I like to show it off a little bit. It is not very big. It is 10 by 11, and there's wires and stuff everywhere. It looks so much better in here when you're seeing it. There's some of the parts that are coming up and some other stuff in future shows. But yeah, this is, again, battery powered, mounted anywhere you want, and then you can add the solar panel, and you've got that unlimited time. So you've got that unlimited battery life, which we really, really like. So this is from Blurams right now. We're taking a look at their 2K outdoor IP66 waterproof camera. This is the solar panel. Now, the neat thing about this solar panel, monocrystalline, whatever they are, very simple, not obnoxiously large. You can see maybe the size of a small book, about the size of my hand. Has another mounting system, very similar to the one I showed you. Now I'm going to show you the order to put this in, and I'll probably get it right, I think. So again, you put this on here, just like that, so you've got that base. Now this is the base for the solar panel. You tighten this down. Now what's interesting is just like the other one, again, you adjust this to where you want it, you tighten this down to lock it in. Now this doesn't move as much, right? And then you take this and you attach your solar panel out here, right? So you attach your solar panel to the tree. You know, I've got one out back tied to a tree. And there we go. That's exactly what it looks like. And then you got your cable, you run it over to your Blurams camera, and now your camera has unlimited power. So super neat option there, again, from Blurams. That is their solar power.